Have you ever been there? You're ready to buy a beautiful ring online, but that one little question stops you. Will it actually fit? Well, today we're gonna solve that problem for good. We're gonna walk through a super simple guide from OctaPearl.com that shows you exactly how to get your perfect ring size, right from the comfort of your own home.
So, picture this. You're scrolling online, and then you see it, the absolute perfect ring. It's got that sparkle, it's totally your style, and you are so ready to hit that add to cart button. You know that feeling, right? That excitement is real. But then, that tiny voice of doubt creeps in. How can you be 100% sure it's the right size? It's the one thing that can throw a little bit of worry into what should be a super exciting moment. Trust me, we've all been there. But what if I told you that getting an accurate measurement is way easier than you think? We're about to show you 2 ridiculously simple methods that will let you click buy with total, complete confidence. Let's do this. Okay, first up is method 1, which we're calling the ring test. This one is your go-to if you already own a ring that fits one of your fingers perfectly. It's fast, it's easy, and it is super reliable. Seriously, this is so simple. All you do is grab that ring that fits you so well, lay it right on top of a ruler, and measure the diameter. Now, here's the most important part. You have to measure the inside of the ring, from one inner edge straight across to the other. That number, in millimeters, is exactly what we need.
But what if you don't have a ring that fits just right to use as a guide? No problem at all. Let's move on to method 2, the paper trick. This one works for anybody, anytime, anywhere. And you want to know the best part? All you need are 2 things you probably have sitting on your desk right now. A little strip of paper or even a piece of string and a ruler. That's literally it. So here's how you do it. Just wrap that strip of paper or string around the base of your finger. You want it to feel comfortable, snug but not so tight that it's squeezing you. It should be able to slide over your knuckle without a struggle. Then just mark the spot where the end overlaps. Unwrap it, lay it out flat, and measure the length from the start to your mark. Again, we're measuring in millimeters. So whether you used a ring to get the diameter or a piece of paper to get the circumference, you now have a magic number in millimeters. So what's next? Well, this is where we turn that simple measurement into your actual official ring size. What you'll do is compare your number to a conversion chart. So, for example, if you used the ring test and your diameter measurement was 17.3 millimeters, that translates to a US size 7. Now, if you use the paper trick, you'll be looking for a circumference chart to find your size. Don't worry, you can find both of these charts right on the OctaPearl website to make it super easy. Okay, getting a measurement is one thing, but making sure it's the most accurate measurement possible, that's what really matters. So let's quickly go over 3 expert tips that are going to guarantee you get it absolutely right. Pay close attention here. These 3 golden rules will make a difference between a ring that fits well and a ring that fits perfectly. Tip number 1, always measure your finger when you're at a comfortable, normal body temperature. Why? Well, believe it or not, our fingers can actually shrink a little bit when we're cold and swell up when we're hot. Measuring at room temp gives you the most accurate, true-to-life size. And second, try to measure your fingers sometime in the middle of the day. It's a funny little biological quirk, but our fingers tend to swell a bit as the day goes on because of, everything we eat and drink and do. So if you measure late at night, you might end up with a size that's just a little too big. And finally, you've heard this one before, measure more than once. Just do it 2 or 3 times to make sure you're getting a consistent number. If you get the same measurement each time, you know you've absolutely nailed it. Consistency is key. Because, at the end of the day, all these steps aren't just about a number on a ruler. They're about making sure that the incredible beauty of the ring you choose is matched by how amazing it feels to wear it. It's all about comfort and brilliance going hand in hand. And this quote from OctaPearl really just says it all. A perfectly sized ring feels as good as it looks. A ring shouldn't just be stunning to look at. It should feel like it was made just for you, like a natural part of you. And here is one last pro tip for you. If you measure and find you're right between 2 sizes, always go for the half size up. Trust me, it's way better to have a ring that's a tiny bit loose than one that's uncomfortably tight. And there you have it. You're now officially equipped to find your perfect ring size with total confidence. So what's your next step? Head on over to OctaPearl.com and start exploring all of their beautiful collections, knowing that whatever you fall in love with is going to fit you perfectly.